Humans. Have you ever wondered if you could live forever? In space?
One day, giant space cities may protect humans from Earth's problems.
But space is dangerous. Cosmic radiation slowly damages human cells.
So living forever isn't that easy.
Future technology may repair our DNA, replace organs, and even slow aging.
So, could humans become immortal?
Maybe, but the universe always creates new mysteries. Would you live forever in space? Tell us below. And follow Beyond Curious Zone for more cosmic mysteries.